Welcome back. We all care about our finances, of course, and we all want to save money for our future. Here to talk about the 2025 trade deficit and what it means to everyone is Brent Wilsey, president of Wilsey Asset Management. Thank you so much, Brent, for being here.
Well, thank you for having me.
There has been a lot going on financially, and this trade deficit, it looks fairly significant. You've got to break it down for us. We're talking about the 2025 deficit going from $901.5 billion from 2024 at $903 billion.
Well, actually, it's rewritten. 903 was first, and
Yes.
2025 was $2 billion lower. And people said, well, the trade tariffs didn't work. This is terrible. Well, it's deceiving numbers. And what you have to look at, you got to see how they played out in 2025. Because the first quarter in 2025, the deficit was $400 billion. That's the first quarter. But then that's because everybody's trying to get in with their products and so forth. Well, the second quarter, it dropped down to $180 billion, a big cut, more than 50%. Third quarter fell to $175 billion, and then the fourth quarter was $145 billion. So it was trending down. And what we see going forward, because of the fact it is trending down, that probably in 2026, the trade deficit will be somewhere between $600 to $700 billion. So that's a big drop from the $900 billion plus we had before. So the tariffs are working. We are getting money from them, but we have a $31.5 trillion economy. It's like a big ship in the water. You can't turn it on a dime. So people have to be patient. Wait till the end of 2026 to see how well the tariffs did work.
Are they going to be over, though? That's the looming question for so many business owners.
They're not going to be over. I mean, the snafu, the Supreme Court, and I was glad this came out. They said, no, that you can't do that. They didn't say tariffs are bad. They said you can't do it that way. So they're coming up with different ways to do it. And we got the Section 122 of the Trade Act of 1974. So that came out. And then we got what Trump did in the first term that he was in. So you got that tariff. Then you got 301 was used. Then you got Section 232. I mean, these are sections. The acts are about 300 pages long, so don't think they're just one paragraph. There's a lot to them. There's a lot of things we can do. So the tariffs will stay there. And we have to remember the benefits that we got from the tariffs with these trade deals. There's trillions of dollars coming into our country this year from countries that said, okay, we'll do this and we'll give you $1 trillion to build a factory, to build a data center. So there's a lot of good things coming from the trade deficit.
I hear what you're saying, but I also hear from the business owners who are really having to, pinch their pennies over it because it's been so hard. They've had to raise prices, and of course that affects us as customers. Do they feel, how can you give them some hope going forward?
Well, customers just have, the customers, and again, they think, oh, I'm paying a lot in inflation. They're really not, because inflation is 2.4%, which, if we have time, we'll talk about the gas situation. It's going to change dramatically going forward.
It is changing.
It is
already
changing.
Up. The average was over, what was it, almost 350?
Yes, it's national average. But I mean, what we actually have now with the situation with the businesses, they're absorbing some, the country's absorbing some, the transportation's absorbing some. So everybody's taking a little piece of the tariffs. And inflation was 2.4% prior to what's going on now. So they've not really hit. The tariffs have not really caused inflation. So I don't see that as a problem. But businesses have to kind of tighten the belts a little bit, do some different things, and they'll do that. But they're not going to go away. They're going to stay here. And they're a good thing because we need to get more balance in our trade. We need more stuff here. Do you want to talk more about the gas situation?
We're going to have to save it. I believe we're running out of time, Brent. But I do want to chat with you about it because it is a very hot topic. Obviously, I also have an EV, so it makes I shouldn't
you don't care
as much, but I do pay attention to it because our viewers. So thank you so much, Brent, for being here from Wilsey Asset Management. Really appreciate you being here today.
Thank you for having me. And it's a temporary situation with the rising gas prices. I'll say that.
Okay, we like a good tease for us. Thank you, Brent.
You're welcome.
Well,